Hello everyone, and viva la Puerto Rico. I am on the island. Monsoon rains. I just got to the island about an hour ago. Thank goodness the rain held up until I got my rental car, but it is here and it is heavy. I'm headed to Luquillo, to the Board Riders Bar and Grill, I believe is what it's called, just north of the El Nuque National Rainforest, the only rainforest in the United States. I'll try to keep up with you guys and do maybe a video every day or so, if I can, on the adventures of the island. I have a lot to do, so I'll try to do one a day, but I'll keep you posted. Until next time, adios.